Today, we will learn about farm animals. Let's start.
Hello kids! Welcome to our farm animals video. Today we will learn farm animals. Let us start learning together.
Cow. Cow.
This is a cow. A cow gives us milk.
Buffalo. Buffalo.
This is a buffalo. A buffalo is very strong.
Goat. Goat.
This is a goat. A goat eats leaves.
Sheep. Sheep.
This is a sheep. A sheep has wool.
Horse. Horse.
This is a horse. A horse can run fast.
Donkey. Donkey.
This is a donkey.
A donkey works on the farm.
Camel. Camel.
This is a camel. A camel is very tall.
Pig. Pig.
This is a pig. A pig likes mud.
Dog. Dog.
This is a dog. A dog is friendly.
Cat. Cat.
This is a cat. A cat is cute.
Hen. Hen.
This is a hen. A hen lays eggs.
Rooster. Rooster.
This is a rooster. A rooster wakes us up.
Duck. Duck.
This is a duck. A duck can swim.
Goose. Goose.
I am a goose.
A goose is big.
Turkey. Turkey.
This is a turkey. A turkey is big.
Rabbit. Rabbit.
This is a rabbit. A rabbit can jump.
Chick. Chick.
This is a chick. A chick is small.
Calf. Calf.
This is a calf. A calf is a baby cow.
Lamb. Lamb.
is a lamb.
Puppy. Puppy.
This is a puppy. A puppy likes to play.
Bull. Bull.
This is a bull. A bull is very strong.
Ox. Ox.
This is an ox. An ox works on farms.
Mule. Mule.
This is a mule. A mule is strong.
Pony. Pony.
This is a pony. A pony is small.
Gosling. Gosling.
This is a gosling. A gosling is small.
Duckling. Duckling.
This is a duckling. A duckling can swim.
Foal. Foal.
This is a foal. A foal is a baby horse.
Baby goat. Baby goat.
This is a kid. A kid is a baby goat.
Ram. Ram.
This is a ram. A ram has horns.
Ewe. Ewe.
This is a ewe. A ewe is a sheep.
Alpaca. Alpaca.
This is an alpaca. An alpaca has soft wool.
Llama. Llama.
This is a llama. A llama is tall.
Yak. Yak.
This is a yak. A yak is big.
Guinea pig. Guinea pig.
This is a guinea pig. A guinea pig is small.
Farm mouse. Farm mouse.
This is a mouse. A mouse is fast.
Farm rat. Farm rat.
This is a rat. A rat lives on farms.
Peacock. Peacock.
This is a peacock. A peacock is beautiful.
Farm pigeon. Farm pigeon.
This is a pigeon. A pigeon is gentle.
Poult.
This is a turkey chick.
Silky chicken. Silky chicken.
This is a silky chicken. A silky chicken is fluffy. Great job, kids! You learned many farm animals. Keep learning and have fun. Bye-bye, kids!
Thanks for watching Kissin' Kids. See you next time.
Like and subscribe.